Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Varshni S from Informatica GCS. In this session, we are going to see about the Informatica Axon configuration in EDC. The agenda of the session is Overview of Axon, Introduction to Axon in EDC, Object Extracted, Prerequisites and Permissions to configure Axon in EDC, Demo and References. Overview of Axon. Informatica Axon is a knowledge repository and governance tool that stores the core data items and business context of your organization. Data owners, stewards, subject matter experts, and other responsible stakeholders collaborate to progressively chart the business reality of data, its lineage, and usage across processes, policies, projects, and regulations. Introduction to Axon in EDC. In EDC, Axon resource can be configured to import glossaries created in Axon to EDC. Further, these glossaries can be tagged to different EDC assets. Also, from Axon perspective, this glossary tagging to EDC terms helps in the auto onboarding of EDC assets on tables, views, columns to Axon. Object extracted. The Informatica Axon resource extracts metadata from the following assets. The following assets are glossary, system, policy, dataset, and attributes. EDC extracts manually created as well as the created attributes. Prerequisites. Axon server should be reachable from the cluster machines, EDC server, and vice versa. There should be at least one native superadmin user account or LDAP user account present in Axon, so that we will use this account to configure Axon resource in EDC. Permissions to configure Axon in EDC. EDC recommends that you configure the superadmin permission for the user account that you can use to access the Axon data source. Now we will see the demo of the configuration in EDC. Log into Catalog Administrator. Click on New Resource. Provide the name of the resource. Select the resource type as Axon. Provide the connection properties details. Username. Provide the username of the Axon data source. Provide the password for the respective Axon username. Host. Here, the fully qualified host name to access the Axon application. Port. The port number should be access to the Axon application. Enable secure communication. Select this property if Axon application is enabled for SSL. Perform the disconnection. Once the disconnection is valid, go to metadata load settings. Enable source metadata to extract the metadata from the Axon data source. These are the additional scanner properties. You can select these values that you want to load it into the catalog. Memory, you can specify the memory value required to run a scanner job. Here we have low, medium, and high. Custom options, you can provide JVM parameters that you can set to configure scanner container. You can enable the track data source options to see the source level changes in the catalog. Custom attributes, you can enable this option where you can apply the custom attributes to all the objects loaded through the Axon resource. You can also give the permissions for this Axon resource. Also, you can restrict the configuration permissions. You can modify or assign the resource permissions from the Security Systems tab of the Catalog Administrator. Schedule, you can create a schedule for the Axon resource by enabling this schedule option. Once the configuration has been completed, just save and run this resource. Once the scanner job gets completed, log into the catalog UI. Once you have logged into the catalog UI, you can able to see the Axon metadata get extracted. You can able to see Axon attributes, Axon datasets, Axon glossaries, Axon system, Axon policies get extracted in the catalog UI. Here are some of the reference links configuring the Axon scanner in EDC. We would love to hear from you. Please reach out to us on supportvideos@informatica.com, twitter.com@infasupport. Thank you.